Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook soup dumplings. Get ready to master the art of preparing these delightful treats right in your own kitchen. We'll go over the essential techniques to ensure your dumplings are perfectly cooked, with tender wrappers and a burst of savory broth inside. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you create restaurant-quality soup dumplings every time. Let's dive in and make some magic. The most common and traditional way to cook soup dumplings is by steaming. First, line your steamer basket with parchment paper or some fresh cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. Carefully place your dumplings, ensuring there's about 1 inch of space between each one. Steam them over boiling water for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the wrappers become translucent and the filling looks plump and juicy. This method ensures a delicate and tender texture. For those who love a bit of crunch, pan frying offers a fantastic alternative, creating delicious potsticker-style soup dumplings. Start by heating a non-stick pan with about 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Carefully place your dumplings in the pan and cook until their bottoms turn a beautiful golden brown, usually for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, add a 1/4 cup of water, quickly cover the pan, and let them steam for another 5 to 7 minutes until the wrappers are fully cooked. Once your soup dumplings are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Carefully transfer them to a serving plate using a wide spatula to avoid tearing the delicate wrappers. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. A classic choice is black vinegar with shredded ginger. Remember to take a small bite first to release some of the hot broth before enjoying the rest. Savor the incredible flavors and textures you've created. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.